Excuse the interruption from our regularly scheduled camping trip. We're not out camping this weekend. We're part-timers, as many of you know, and we don't always get out, but I thought the video I'd share this weekend, it'd take a different tone. So buckle up, here it goes. Man, these past 19 years with Logan have been awesome. It's my son's birthday. My oldest, Logan, was welcomed into the world 19 years ago, and we've made a lot of really good memories. It's partly why we bought the trailer. Last year, I finally convinced Shannon after watching Keep Your Daydream. If you haven't checked out their channel, you should. Mark and Trish talk a lot about making every moment count and making your someday happen right now. My dad used to tell me when I was young, go make a memory. Mom took it one step further. She was the one that helped us to make those memories. Man, we had some great memories together. I want to do the same thing for my kids, and so each and every day I'm looking for opportunities to make a memory. So there's really nothing that Tucker likes more than a run at the park, other than maybe chasing the squirrel in the backyard. They get into some pretty good verbal arguments. What do you think, Tuck? You ready to run again? Many of my good memories involve the family pet, like Tucker here. Tucker's been with the family now for about 4 years. He's a pretty good boy. Spends a lot of his time out in the backyard having verbal arguments with the squirrels. Don't you, Tucker? One of my favorite morning activities, coming out onto the front porch, sitting in the rocking chair. A lot of good memories made just rocking on the front porch.
Like that. Oh! I'm taking credit for that.
was it?
That was fun. That's always fun.
Are you excited?
Yeah. This is gonna be exciting. I've only done this once or twice, so I don't remember much, but I think it's gonna be really fun.
This class is our senior champion, is number 44, is
See these goats? One day we'll be on someone's table. They're meat goats. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All of the money goes back to the Peregrine Fund, which is that conservation organization working with kids. We breed California condors. We have the largest population of breeding condors in the entire world. We have over 60 right at our facility in Boise. Hot. Yeah, I'm having fun.
Are you glad you came with us? Don't roll your eyes. I like it. It's a lot of work. I like it.
Ty thinks I'm daring.
That cord's not gonna save your phone if you drop it.
But we're having fun, huh?
Yeah.
Making a memory. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Get out there and make some memories.
Exactly.
So we came to the fair, we got heat stroke, we had shaved ice. It was great. KYD at the fair. Where is it? Which side? This side? Right here? We're representing. Don't put it in the video.
No, Dad will put it in.
Here's the deal. There have been times in my life where I have put off until tomorrow what I could have been doing today. And as I've been reflecting today on my 19 years with my oldest son, I thought, man, I'm glad that I made many of those memories and I didn't put them off until he was older, or until I was retired, or until we had the financial means, or any of those other obstacles that get in the way, any of those other excuses that we provide ourselves that stop us from getting out there and making a memory.
Tells me that you are kind and loving to all living creatures, a natural leader, and with a dragon heartstring core, your fierce loyalty to your friends and your family will be greatly admired by all who meet you.
Graduating class of 2018, please rise. Bell that's rung, I now present you on the second day of June, the Rocky Mountain High School, class of 2018.
It said I would get 3 Jurassic chiller inside, right? I open box. Do you see chiller? I see no chiller. Now, I poured out the entire box. I saved what I could, but I pretty much wasted it on the floor. So, like, they say they have, like, phone number? I want to call the phone number and complain. Yes, hello. You told me to call this number if I had any questions or comments. Well, I have a couple of both. Let me tell you. Inside box, it said I'd get free Jurassic chiller inside. So I can make popsicle. Now, it is very hot where I am right now, and I would like this. But I open box, and there is no chiller. I pour all of contents out on my floor, in the rush to find chiller not there. I would like my chiller. Now please, I will not be here for much longer. I would like you to send it to the motherland. And if I get color preference, I like red. Thank you. Goodbye.
Now's the time. Now's the time to go make a memory. He's gonna fall. Don't go falling in. Go help. Hurry, go help. Pull him in.
I couldn't tell if he was actually.
Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to tune in next time when we hook up the trailer and go camping once again. If you haven't already, subscribe and be sure to hit that bell so you get notified the next time we post a video. Hey, and a shout out to Dean for giving us the best reason ever to go camping, because we want to. We'll catch you on the next one.